In today's video, I'm going to show you a search engine that pays you money by just using their platform. And before I start, please do subscribe into my channel. Again, it is Crypto Addict right here. Help me reach that 15,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So let's just jump right into it. So Presearch is aims to build a next generation search engine that is powered by its community. Presearch funds operations, though what it describes as a transparent, unobtrusive advertising system that enables advertisers and users to stake pre on keywords. By doing so, they get to display advertisements on those keywords in the search results. So for you as an advertiser here, what you just need to do here is just take pre on a specific keyword, and you can be able to advertise when people search it inside the Presearch search engine as well. So as for the users, what you just need to do is just type anything, maybe, or you are looking maybe best foods in North America, okay, and make sure that it is connected into your Google Chrome. So you can see here I do have 1.32 pre, and for every search, okay, that you are making, every unique search that you're making here in enginepresearch.org, you are getting paid by 0.12 pre. So this one is really free, and I think we just can't complain that this site is fantastic. Of course, if you are looking as well to make pretty much side hustle, of course, or make pretty much small money, of course, by using your computer, just searching into your internet, and of course just getting some rewards from it, then Presearch is good for you. So I'm going to explain to you, okay, how you can create an account and how you can enable wherein every time that you search inside this into your search engine, into your search application, which is Google Chrome or Firefox, okay, you will be automatically redirected into Presearch org, which of course pays you 0.12 pre without any hassle. So what you just need to do, okay, I'm going to open, let's say I'm going to open a Brave browser here. So I'm going to search presearch.org, and then what you just need to do is open it, and then you add this one to Chrome. So for you to add it, you need to install this extension into your Google Chrome browser, and then you need to select it, so that every time that you are using this search bar over here, okay, you will be redirected, okay, the site that will appear here, okay, instead of google.com, it will be Presearch. So you can see it here. Okay, you see there is like an ASD, so let's say type, okay, test, and you see there's a dash Presearch search here, which of course redirect you into the Presearch search engine, and then okay, you're going to get paid. Okay, that's just how easy it is. Okay, and for you to be able to buy, okay, I'm going to explain it to you right now. For you to buy Presearch, just click this button right here. It says buy tokens, and then you need to click this button right here, and you can buy tokens via Ethereum, via BTC, or via USD. So for you to be able to purchase this one, you need to complete these details right here, okay, for the Visa, okay. So let's say I'm going to complete that, and then you just need to complete the purchase, which of course redirect you into another pop on site. And for the Ethereum for Ethereum and Bitcoin, just click the purchase with BTC or Ethereum, and then of course you need to type in your fields, and you need to send money into the Ethereum address or Bitcoin address that is being prompted into the screen. So that's how easy it is for you to buy tokens. So let's talk about how you can withdraw your tokens, how you can sell this one. Okay, good thing here is you can sell it via Uniswap, via KuCoin. It's really easy. Okay, So for the KuCoin, just open it into the new tab, okay, and then you can see here that it is also being traded in the KuCoin, and it is on pretty much a good price right here. It is on 0.03, and it is also, you can also just swap it if you're using an Ethereum blockchain, okay. You just select a token, maybe a USDT, because I can pretty much get a grasp of how much pre-tokens it is into the USD. So let's say I'm going to sell 1,000 pre, okay. For you to sell this pre, of course, you're going to get $31, which is not really that expensive, and just connect your wallet, okay. Just connect your MetaMask, and then just complete the transaction. So for you to be able to reflect, okay, to check how much you can withdraw, you need to have at least 1,000 pre tokens into your savings account. So I'm just going to go right here, okay. I think this is not the right side, this one, okay, this side right here. Just go to your account, okay, and you will see your profile here. You can see the tokens. You can also see your advertising if you want to advertise into this platform. You can also see some of the things that you want to know about privacy policy, about terms and conditions, and you can also join into their community, which they have a Twitter and Telegram. So just click this one and you will be redirected into their Telegram platform, which this one, okay. They do have 8,000 subscribers, so it is pretty much relative new, and you can still take advantage of this one as well. So again, for you to be able to withdraw this, okay, you need to also set up your two-factor authentication, which of course you need to use an app like OT or two-factor authentication. So just turn it on, and what I'm just going to do here is, maybe let's see if I'm going to use a Google Authenticator, because it's pretty much easier for me to do this. So I'm just going to scan the QR code. So make sure that you have the QR Authenticator. Oh, it is not working on Google Authenticator. So just going to type ot.com, and then what you need to do here is, I'm going to type in the following number. Maybe this one is pretty much better. So the key is 1 ICK WJ4 QL 2SL EZ O3Y. I think it is different for every account. So let's just type in Presearch and then just click the add. Oh, it is not working, but you need to use this one, okay. You need to download this for you to be able to start. So it is available on the Google Play. So I don't want to actually go into this process right here, because I mean, maybe into the next future videos, but I just want to really explain every single thing that you need to learn about Presearch, okay. So for the keyword staking, for the advertisers, okay, what you just need to do here is just buy pre or transfer the pre tokens that you have from blockchain. Just click the from rewards rather. So from rewards, and you can see here that I don't have enough eligible reward tokens, because I think for you to be able to transfer it, you need to have at least 1,000 pre tokens. So I'm just going to go back into the site wherein I can see my account. So it is here. So for you to withdraw the tokens, again, you need to have 1,000 minimum threshold, and based on rewards system, 50% of your reward tokens are currently eligible for withdrawal. So if you do have 1,000 pre tokens, you can only withdraw 500, And if that is the case, you need to have 2,000 tokens, Presearch tokens, for you to withdraw, because it is, you need to have 1,000 1,000 Presearch tokens. So what you just need to do here is just select your account. So if you want to transfer it into the savings, and then just click this button right here, and then and you can see here it is not really appearing because I don't have any I'm not really that eligible as well. So I'm just going to update you guys onto this project right here. But as you can see here, this one is really good. It is ranked 831. So this is not just kind of like a coin wherein you just like a pump and dump scenario. This has a real use case. Okay, so for you to be able to be a node, okay, to be a Presearch official node, you need to have at least 1,000 pre-tokens. That's how easy it is. So you need to install this Docker, and you register your node and get your registration code. Add to this site right here, and then just click just run the node start commands, which of course be inputted into this part right here. So of course you need to complete this one right here, because it gives you pretty much you're not trolling, okay? So you need to input your fields here, and then you will get the exact code that you actually need for you to be able to become a Presearch node. So for the rewards, okay, rewards are all paid to all node operators who stake at least 1,000 pre to their node. Each of your stake nodes will qualify for the base reward paid to incentivize participation into the network. Those who stake more than 1,000 pre to their node are eligible to earn additional rewards. And for us to know more about the rewards here, it is here, okay? It is onto this part right here. So currently, they are still preparing, okay? They're still cooking this one, okay? So they're still going to update this page soon with the full overview of node rewards. But in the meantime, you can find details on the rewards eligibility and how rewards are calculated in our node rewards launch announcement. So it is into this Medium article right here. So average reliability score 0.49. So actually you need to run this node probably 24/7. So that's pretty much the usual scenario when you're running a node. And I think you are required to open your node, of course, 24/7, because I think you will be penalized if you are not like performing really well, because it is when you're having a node, it is already part into their network. So I mean, if it is going down, then probably you will receive a lot more lesser Presearch tokens, and the worst case scenario is you can get kicked out for being a Presearch node, because probably you are destroying the system. So for this one, okay, this is the update here. I'm going to put as well the link into the description box below on how you can register, of course, to the presearch.org. And I'm going to put as well a lot of details that you actually need, including the rewards, including the Telegram group wherein you can just ask the questions into their admin. So just type in Presearch community here, and you can see that the admins here are really helpful. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this one. Again and again, it is Crypto Addict right here. I do have 10,637 subscribers. Please help me reach that 15,000 as well. It will really help me a lot. So that is it for this video, and thank you for watching.